As usual, Ducky is here at Computex 2024 and it has one new keyboard to show off, the Ducky One X. Available in 60% or 100% form factor, these are said to be the first keyboard to feature Cherry's new inductive switches. Basically, it is Cherry's implementation of a magnetic switch and it is said to be more power efficient than other magnetic switches in the market now. Of course, a magnetic switch offers rapid triggers and that is really the best selling point of a magnetic switch aside from improved smoothness. Because it's using a different implementation of a magnetic switch, it allows the keyboard to feature wireless capability. Both of these support 2.4 GHz wireless dongle or a Bluetooth connection. Of course, wired connection is also available. The One X also features what Ducky calls the Quack Mechanic Plus, which is quite the name, but basically it features 7 layers of dampening material. These should result in theory a cleaner and more refined sound profile, which is great for a keyboard. As for availability, both of these should be shipping sometime in September to October 2024. Pricing details of the One X have not been revealed yet, but we were told it could go below $200. So if you're keen to pick up the Ducky One X, keep your eyes on our website nextyear.com as well as this YouTube channel where we will post the latest updates as and when we get them. This is Andrew signing off.